Today you'll discover the 5 common mistakes that people make with their landing pages, and at the end I'll share a myth and a power tip to improve your conversion. Let's go. Hi, my name is Antoine Dupont and welcome to another video. This channel is all about marketing for business owners, so if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's get started. The first mistake on landing pages is having a headline that is confusing or lacks clarity. And there are the 2 classic mistakes with the headline. The first one is it describes what you do, like executive coaching for business owners, or West Palm Beach Realty, or Quality General Dental Care. Quality dental care? What's the alternative? Of course it's quality. What else could it be? And the second mistake with the headline is being self-important or bragging about yourself. Like, more than 30 years experience, or you're lawyers for life. A bit presumptuous of you, right? I don't even know if I like you yet. And my all-time favorite, welcome to our website. Our mission is to blah, 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 blah. Here is the deal. Your headline should probably include the word you or your. It's about them, not you. So for example, instead of quality dental care, how about be proud of your smile? I may be embarrassed about my teeth, and be proud of your smile speaks to me. It's about me and my feelings. People don't want what you offer. They want the benefits that comes with working with you. At the end of this video, I am going to give you a power tip to make an amazing headline that increases conversion, so stay tuned. The second mistake that people make with their landing page is too much stuff, too much clutter. When we work with clients with their existing landing page, we end up removing about 90% of the stuff that's there. Like for example, the social media icons. Why are they above the navigation? Are you trying to confuse people or send them away before they're ready to convert? And the multiple images in the carousel and the multiple titles that you have, that does nothing but confuse the person on the other side. It's too many messages. It should only be one message for one landing page. And sometimes there is way too much text. Here's what you need to know about that. People don't really read on the internet. They mostly skim, so your big blocks of text do nothing but clutter your page. So take your social media icon, put them in the footer. Don't have a carousel with multiple images, one image, one message. And people much prefer a short paragraph with several bullets. That's all they need. The third mistake that people do with their landing pages is using stock images. And specifically the pictures of thin, smiling people with perfect teeth that you have seen on a million other websites. There's nothing that conveys inauthenticity than having stock images that you've seen in 1,000 other websites. Here's my recommendation for you. Hire a photographer. The fourth mistake that I see on landing pages is it lacks credibility. For example, there are not enough reviews or too many of them. All you need on your landing page is a couple of reviews from people that have used your services describing the benefits they got for themselves out of using your products or services. You need to make sure that you include a picture and a name describing who that person is. A couple of them is sufficient, maybe up to 4, but that's it. Now, one of the things that improve credibility is having a video on the landing page. A 60-second video describing the benefits that people will get by working with you will go a long way to increase your credibility and improve your conversion. And last but not least, that you should include on your landing page to improve your credibility is awards and certifications. And it don't have to be fancy or famous. Being a proud member of your local chamber of commerce adds credibility. You are involved in your community and people like that. And the fifth mistake that people make on their landing page is not including a section about the consequences of not doing anything or not hiring you. A lot of the decisions that we make on a daily basis are based on the fear of loss, or what we now call FOMO. In other words, your landing page should have a section clearly describing what is most likely going to happen if they don't take any action. Here's a great example on a divorce coaching website. Here are the consequences of not doing anything. Paying outrageous attorney's fees, losing money and assets, guilt and shame. I mean, who wants that? And to cap it off, you should also clearly identify the happy resolution they will get with working with you. And using the divorce coaching landing page, imagine your life with peace of mind. Your audience should be saying, that's exactly what I want. Now, here is a myth about landing pages, and it goes something like that. People have the attention span of a goldfish. And it's not true. A speaker probably said that once at a conference, and now people repeat it like it's the truth.
They say the average human has an attention span of less than a goldfish.
And if it's true, then explain to me how come people are binge watching the entire series of the Game of Thrones. The truth is, we are collectively impatient. If your landing page is confusing, they're gone. If your value proposition is unclear, they're gone too. And if your page is boring, aka it's all about you, they're gone too. It's not an attention span problem. A lot of landing pages suck. That's the truth. Now here's the power tip for you. In order to create a great value proposition or a great headline, you need to understand your customer's pain. And your customer's pain is first external. What is it that they're saying? What comes out of their mouth? What is it that they complain about? Something like, I don't have enough time. The second part of their pain is internal, how it feels for them. So I don't have enough time and I'm frustrated about it. Frustrated is how it feels for them. And the third one is the philosophical pain. And it sounds like something like it ought to be, or it shouldn't be, or I deserve more. And your value proposition and your headline is the solution to resolving those problems. People buy products and services for internal reasons, how it feels, and they justify it for philosophical reasons. Figure this out for your business and you will increase your conversions. Guaranteed. All right, so that does it for today. If you got value out of this video, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss a thing. Ciao.